You've been trying your best meal prepping, cutting calories, hitting the gym, but the scale just won't budge. Sound familiar? Here's the shocking reality. Some of the foods you've been relying on to lose weight might actually be working against you. That healthy granola bar, it's loaded with hidden sugars. Those diet drinks, they mess with your hormones. The truth is, these so-called health foods are sneaky saboteurs, derailing your progress when you least expect it. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which culprits to avoid and how to make smarter choices. Ready to uncover the truth and finally take control of your weight loss journey? Let's dive in. Let's talk about something you've probably heard a million times. Diet foods are your best friends when it comes to weight loss. But here's the kicker, they're not. Those sugar-free sodas and low-fat snacks, they're loaded with hidden chemicals like NutraSweet that spike your hunger hormones and mess with your insulin. Imagine grabbing a diet drink, thinking you're making a healthy choice, only to feel hungrier an hour later. Instead, try sparkling water with a splash of lime or munch on whole unprocessed snacks like almonds or apple slices. Now, let's break this down further. These so-called diet products promise weight loss, but often do the exact opposite. Why? Because they trick your body into expecting sugar or fat, but when it doesn't come, your metabolism slows down and cravings kick in. That's why you find yourself raiding the pantry late at night. Instead, focus on foods that keep you full naturally. Greek yogurt, boiled eggs, or a handful of mixed nuts are all excellent options to keep those cravings at bay. And here's the wild part. The marketing for diet foods is designed to prey on your good intentions. They slap on labels like guilt-free or 0 calories, making you think you're doing your body a favor. But in reality, these foods are keeping you stuck in a loop of unhealthy habits. If you're serious about weight loss and well-being, step away from the flashy packaging and opt for simple, whole ingredients. Once you make this switch, you'll see how easily your healthy body begins to thrive, and that's just the start. Let's face it, toils are everywhere. From salad dressings to your favorite fried foods, they sneak into nearly every meal. But not all oils are created equal. The ones labeled as vegetable oils, like soybean or canola, they're often loaded with trans fats and omega-6 fatty acids, which fuel inflammation and slow down your metabolism. Instead, switch to heart-healthy options like extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. These not only enhance your food's flavor, but also promote well-being and longevity without compromising taste. Think about this. Cooking with bad oils doesn't just affect your weight loss journey, it impacts your overall health. Imagine starting your day with eggs fried in butter versus a cheap vegetable oil. One nourishes your body, the other clogs your arteries. Small swaps, like using coconut oil for baking or olive oil for can, make a world of difference. These oils are packed with nutrients that help your body burn fat and keep you energized throughout the day. The tricky part: bad oils are often hiding in your pantry and even in healthy snacks. Pre-made granola bars, store-bought dressings, and even some protein powders are laced with them. A quick tip: read labels and avoid anything with hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated oils. The best way to ensure a healthy body is to embrace oils that work with your system, not against it. Trust me, once you taste food cooked with better oils, you'll never go back, and the benefits will only keep growing. The ketogenic diet promises big results. But here's a reality check. Many keto-friendly products on store shelves are anything but. Those cookies, bars, and even breads with keto plastered across the label. They're often loaded with artificial sweeteners, preservatives, and even hidden carbs that sabotage your weight loss goals. Instead of falling for the marketing, stick to homemade options. A quick almond flour pancake or a simple avocado and egg combo can give you the healthy energy you need without the sneaky chemicals. Think about it, trail keto isn't about mimicking junk food. It's about fueling your body with high-quality fats and low carbs. But when you rely on commercial keto snacks, you're often trading nutrition for convenience. Picture this: you grab a keto cookie for a snack, thinking it's a shortcut to weight loss, only to find it stalls your progress. Focus on whole foods like nuts, seeds, and organic cheese sticks instead. They're portable, satisfying, and genuinely keto-friendly. Here's the kicker: Many of these fake keto products can trigger the very sugar cravings you're trying to avoid. That's why staying informed is crucial. Check labels, question ingredients, and when in doubt, go back to basics. By choosing real, unprocessed foods, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Plus, let's be honest, homemade snacks not only taste better, but also let you control exactly what goes into your body. And once you experience the difference, you'll never look at those shiny keto labels the same way. Juice cleansers might sound like a shortcut to health and weight loss. But here's the truth, they're often a sugary trap in disguise. Most fruit-based juices, even those labeled natural, are loaded with fructose, which spikes your blood sugar and leaves you hungry hours later. Imagine sipping on a cleanse all day, only to feel irritable and exhausted by dinner. Instead of these sugar-packed drinks, try making a green smoothie with spinach, cucumber, and a splash of lemon juice. It's refreshing, nutrient-dense, and actually supports your goals. Now, let's dive deeper. Cleansers promise to reset your system. But what they often do is flood your body with sugar and strip away the fiber that helps regulate digestion. A better option. Focus on whole fruits and veggies. Snack on a crisp apple or crunch on some carrots. They deliver the nutrients without the sugar overload. Plus, you won't feel like you're starving yourself, which makes sticking to your healthy habits much easier. Here's the kicker. Relying on juice cleanses can actually work against your long-term weight loss. By sending your blood sugar on a roller coaster, they can trigger cravings and make it harder to stay consistent with a balanced diet. The next time you're tempted by a cleanse, ask yourself this: why choose short-term fixes when real, lasting health comes from sustainable habits? By replacing those sugary juices with real nutrient-packed options, you'll be fueling your body the way it was meant to be fueled, and that's a game changer. Refined flours and sugars are everywhere, and they're sneaky culprits keeping you in a sugar-burning mode instead of a fat-burning one. Think about your morning bagel or that muffin you grabbed on the go. These processed carbs spike your blood sugar, giving you a quick burst of energy that crashes just as fast. Instead, opt for whole grains like quinoa or steel-cut oats. They're slower to digest, keeping your energy stable and your cravings in check. Here's the thing. Refined carbs aren't just a weight loss roadblock, they're a long-term health risk. They fuel inflammation and keep your body addicted to quick sugar highs. A practical swap. Try using almond or coconut flour for your baking. Not only are they lower in carbs, but they also add a rich flavor to pancakes or cookies. These small changes don't just support your weight loss journey, they make it sustainable and enjoyable. And let's not forget sugar, the master of disguise. It's hidden in sauces, snacks, and even healthy drinks. The key is learning to spot it on labels. Anything ending in O's is likely sugar. Start experimenting with natural sweeteners like monk fruit or stevia to satisfy your sweet tooth without the crash. By cutting refined sugars and flours, you're setting the stage for a healthy body and long-term well-being, paving the way for even greater changes ahead. Now that you know which foods have been quietly sabotaging your progress, it's time to take action. Ask yourself, are you ready to stop letting these hidden culprits hold you back? Every small change you make today builds the foundation for a healthy body and long-term well-being. Start by making one swap: ditch the diet soda, or skip the refined flour, and see how much better you feel. Imagine what's possible when you're fully in control of your choices and your goals. But don't stop here. What will you do differently starting tomorrow? Will you rethink those so-called healthy snacks? Will you explore better oils or cut back on sugars? Let us know in the comments. Share your wins, your struggles, and even your questions. We're here to learn and grow together. And if you're ready to take the next step on this journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Together, we'll keep uncovering the secrets to better health, well-being, and longevity. Let's make it happen.